Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your location using a VPN on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and loaded. Wait for everything to boot up completely before moving forward. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, you're all set to begin the process. Now let's get into the actual setup. Navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. Once it opens, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Settings window, which is your control center for most Windows configurations. In the Settings window, you'll see various options displayed. Look for the one labeled Network and Internet and click on it. This section controls all your network and connectivity settings, including VPN configurations. Once you're in the Network and Internet menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options listed vertically. Find and click on VPN. This is where you'll manage all your VPN connections and create new ones. Now that you're in the VPN settings area, look for the button that says Add a VPN connection and click on it. This will bring up the VPN setup screen where you'll configure your new connection. The first thing you'll need to do is select your VPN provider from the drop-down menu. In most cases, you'll want to leave this set to Windows built-in unless you're using specific third-party VPN software. After selecting the provider, you'll need to give your VPN connection a name. Choose something that helps you remember what this connection is for. Here's where it gets a bit more technical, but don't worry, it's straightforward. Open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to google.com. In the search bar, type in vpngate.net and press enter. This will take you to a website that provides free VPN servers from various locations around the world. On this site, you'll see a list of available servers showing different IP addresses along with their corresponding countries and locations. Take note of the IP address for the location you want to appear to be connecting from. Head back to your VPN setup screen in Windows Settings. In the field labeled server name or address, paste or type in the IP address you just copied from VPN Gate. This tells your computer which server to connect through, effectively changing your virtual location. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Save button at the bottom of the setup screen. And that's it, you've successfully configured a VPN connection on Windows 11 to change your location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.